Collided with a couch that had been left on the road. As Sugar Christian tells us, her family and police are now searching for answers.
It was here on Cremery Road almost a week ago where police say Vicky McKenzie's car hit a couch that was sitting in the middle of the road. The 74-year-old grandmother was driving home after dropping her grandchild off at a friend's